time to get back working on this thing. So I guess the first step is I bought some lights that I'm going to put right up here on the ceiling. So I need to put those up. Well guys, I haven't seen what they all look like turned on. I saw it when there was like 2 or 3 up, but that's it. So I guess let's turn them on and let's see how bright this is. Alright, look at that. There is what it looks like now. That is just amazing. Well guys, there you go. We got all our lights up. Man, that's bright. So I guess now it's time to pull out our tools we got and sandblaster and start putting that thing together. Well, it's the next day here, so I guess now it's time to clean up some of this mess, and then we'll need to start using degreaser and everything like that underneath to try getting rid of any junk that might be stuck to the car, and then we'll have to use rust converter on it. So I guess let's just sweep up some of this mess quick. Well, I'm going to make sure all of this is dry before we move on to putting on some seam sealer where I had to take it off or it was rusting underneath and everywhere. And then we'll be putting on undercoat. Well, it is the next day. We're back from work. And I guess the next step is just to undercoat the back end here. I am covered in undercoat and the whole thing seems to be done. I'm pretty sure we got everything covered, so I'm quite happy with it. It's looking quite good. Let's take a quick look at it. So I put just a thin layer on this edge here where it was rusting. Did these things because they were rusting pretty bad. And then all under here, everything is done with undercoat up to the front there where the gas tank goes. Well, I guess now I'm going to remove the front brake calipers.
I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a comment down below with your thoughts, and if there's anything you'd like to see in the future or anything I could do better, it'd be a big encouragement for me to know. Also, go check out my channel and my other videos and see what you think of them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.